Do you want to know how I do this with AI? Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you practically on how I literally do this, my video adverts for free. I'm not charging you. All I want you to do is to like this video, to share the video. All right, without wasting much of your time, in creating this advert video, there are some steps you need to take. The very first step is to have idea of the adverts you want to create. For example, you are creating a video advert for someone who sells perfume. You have an idea already that this is a perfume business. So you go to ChatGPT, you explain to ChatGPT that you want to create a video advert for someone who sells perfume. Then you tell ChatGPT to give you advice. From those advice, you have to generate the business name, the business brand color, the business motto. I hope you are jotting down the business motto. And from the motto, you can actually generate the business logo. From the business logo to, I call it the business complete brand image. Some people call it banner. From the business brand logo, what you need to do next is to get a professional script. I would say this for free. Your professional script should not be too long because you are trying to attract people's attention. So you shouldn't make your advert video to be too long. Maximum of 60 seconds. In fact, that 60 seconds, you can bring it down a bit to at least 30-40 seconds is fine, because it's an advert video. No one will sit down to keep on watching a video, an advert video for too long. Do you understand? So when you generate your scripts, then you go to AI, you convert your scripts to speech. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to drop the video maybe next week. Then when you convert to speech, you go back to your ChatGPT. Then what you tell ChatGPT to do is to divide that script into bits. When you divide the script into bits, let me say for that 30-second video, you can tell ChatGPT to divide it into like 4 or 5 video ideas. Tell ChatGPT to divide your scripts to 4 or 5 video ideas. Then when it converts it to 4 or 5 video ideas, then you now tell it to do what? To begin to generate images, realistic, ultra realistic images for each of the video idea. For each of the video ideas, if you have generated about 4 or 5, let me say 4 video ideas for you, then you're going to be generating the 4 different images. So if you generate the very first one, then when you say next, you generate the next one, depending on how you prompt ChatGPT. Therefore, if you have not studied on what the video where I taught how to speak to ChatGPT, please make sure when you are done with this video, you watch the video. Now, all this I'm saying, I'm going to be showing you practically on my ChatGPT, my live, my already edited and perfect video. So I'm going to be showing you. Now, when you've done that, you pick the images, then you tell ChatGPT to give you a well-detailed prompt whereby you just attach the image. Then you also tell ChatGPT that while writing the prompt, you should state using the specific image, because if you don't put it that way, you can go to your video generator and it's going to generate something different for you. Now, this is what you do. When you now get the video prompt, you go to your Veo 3 or whatever video generator you are using. I use Veo 3 Gemini. So when you go to your Veo 3, you attach the image, you attach the prompt, you get the video. And when you get the videos, you have about 4 videos. That's about 40 seconds already. So you go to CapCut, then you arrange perfectly. Please, when you're arranging an advert video, make sure you put the right and the nice transition. Don't put too much transitions. But make sure you put the nice transitions. Put nice background music, not something that will be too loud than the scripts, than the voiceover that you've gotten. Then you export your video and you send it to your client and begin to make money. All right, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be showing you practical. So now let's move on to my ChatGPT dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please, before you bring down this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, you share, and you drop your comment. If this is your first time seeing this face, this is Johnny Edit Video, and I'm going to be showing you practically how you can grow your YouTube channel, and also sometimes I bring this type of tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. Now let's move to my ChatGPT dashboard.
All right, so welcome back to this tutorial. You can see that at this point in time, I was explaining to ChatGPT that I want to create a video advert for perfume oils. So the person sells perfumes. So it gave me the brand colors. He suggested some brand colors to me. Though I don't think I actually use those brand colors. I went to my Meta AI, then that one gave me better color. So if this one did not give you something you want, use another AI. Okay, so it gave me my brand color, and from my brand color, I think I was looking for my brand motto here. So it gave me my brand motto, and can you see it? I have my brand name already. I have my brand color. I have I have my brand color. Okay, let me see more. I have my motto. So I have that, and boom, it gives me this. So when it gives me this, I looked at it and I said I don't like it. So if you see the prompt below it, I don't know if you can see my prompt below it. I said, please, I don't like these colors. I don't like these colors. So this is the point where I actually went to my Meta AI to get another color for myself. So I think this was the color I now chose. Can you see? So I chose that color and it gave me this network. It gave me this. Can you see how clean the design is? In fact, when this business is actually for somebody I know very, very well, and the moment I sent this logo to the person began to like it. So if it were to be a client, that is the same way the person is going to like it and is going to pay me a huge amount of money. So can you see that I got my logo, and from my logo I got my brand image. So at this point I actually gave it sample of brand image because I already have some brand images that I already made. So I gave it sample. So if you don't have sample, it doesn't matter. It's going to do, the AI is going to do whatever you ask it to do. But you need to watch my video on how I speak to ChatGPT. Please watch it, because if you see most of my my prompts, you will see me saying something like, I want you to respond to me as a professional. So if you want ChatGPT to respond to you perfectly, you tell it what you let it know. Okay, let me give an example. You want ChatGPT to respond to you as maybe you're trying to create a YouTube channel. For example, you're trying to create a YouTube channel. You tell ChatGPT, I want you to respond to me as a YouTube strategical expert. Do you get that? So if you want ChatGPT to respond to you as a graphics designer, you tell ChatGPT, I want you to respond to me as a professional graphics designer. Do you understand? So from there, you now explain your mind to it. This is my idea. I want this color. This is the text. This is the idea about the design I want you to do for me. So when you do that, then it means you are prompting ChatGPT properly. Do you understand? But still watch that video. It's going to help you a lot. All right. He gave me this, and I looked at it and I said, the color, I don't actually like the way it came out. It was looking dark and everything. So in that video where I said you should watch how to speak to ChatGPT, I also stated there, you refine what ChatGPT gives to you. Refine it. You refine it. You look at it very well. How does it look like? In what I can see here now, I can see that it's looking dark. The text is too much. You have to begin to zoom before you can read. Do you understand? So that is what I mean by refining the response ChatGPT gave to you. So if you refine the response, then you are going to get something much more better in the next response. Now, can you see this? Compare this and this. You see that they are two different things. So this one, I actually love this one. I love this one. So, and the moment I sent this to the owner, the person loves it. Do you understand? The person loves it. So you have to always refine your work. And here I got my prompt. At this point in time, you know, this person actually is somebody I know very well, and I don't expect the person even to pay me. Though the person gave me some amount of money, I didn't expect the person to pay me. And at this point in time, I was creating with a simple knowledge I had. So with what I had here, you can see that this script is a bit long. Please make sure your own script is not long. It's not too long, because if it is too long, people won't sit down too long to watch an advert video. Let it come out clean, clear, sharp, professional, and short. Go straight to the point, but let the script be professional. Do you understand? So now that's how I got my script, and I told ChatGPT to, okay, I refined the script again. Can you see? I refined the script. Then from there, I told ChatGPT to give me video ideas. Can you see? He divided it into video ideas here. Can you see? Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. Can you see? So now, and I told it to begin to give me images. Can you see? Image 1, image 2. Can you see? So it gave me the images, and I also begin to get my video prompt. So you have to tell ChatGPT that you'll be attaching the image with the prompt. Therefore, it has to state it in the prompt that why using the image attached, because some AI generator, video generator, they would you understand what I mean already. So he gave me the very first video prompt. Can you see? It says use the attached image as the primary reference, something like that. I've told you that when I was explaining how to get video prompt. So it gave me the video prompt. You can see how long the video prompt is. So it depends on how you prompt ChatGPT. Then if ChatGPT is giving you a very perfect prompt that is long enough and sharp, you will know that this is good enough. So you need to learn how to speak to ChatGPT. So can you see, it even gave me the camera movement, the lighting, the motion, the quality, and everything. So I got the video prompt for everything. I'm not supposed to show you this aspect, but let me just give you. It can be a kind of idea for you too. So when I got the video, I came about something for my clients. That is, after submitting the video to my clients, I'll begin to give them image like this every blessed day for 5 good days. I don't know if you have seen such a video whereby you just greet your client in the morning, good morning dear client, stuff like that. So this is an idea I brought up for myself as a bonus to my clients. So thank you for watching this video. If you did anything from this YouTube channel, please make sure you like, you drop your comment, you share this video, and you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep building and keep winning.